Hello and good afternoon. This is Charles Evan from Next Dimension Web Design Studios, here with you to talk about week 4 of the project. We'd like to thank you guys for coming on board again and taking the time to be with us today. We just wanted to give you a reminder of where we stand with the project so far. We started on the end of September 28th to be exact, with the defined phase of the project. Here's where we actually created the proposal and submitted it up for bid. Version 1.0 of our proposal was actually approved right around October the 2nd, and we were able to go to phase 2 of the project, which was for the site structure. So during that time, we actually begun doing wireframes and got that to approval. We got up to version 1.0.3 there. Once that was approved, of course, we went to phase 3, which was the visual interface of the site. And with that, we came across a problem. Our VCs actually expressed concern about the amount of visual elements that were on the interface, and the fact that it was probably more distracting to the user than it actually helped. So after some brief consultation, the design team actually came up with another comp that was a bit more subdued in nature, and we actually started using some of the design principles such as contrast, spacing, and proximity, just to keep things in order, as well as bring a more subtle experience for the site visitor. We got up to version 1.0.2.1 on that, and was approved, and we were on to phase 4. And phase 4 is where we are today. We've actually started developing the HTML and the CSS. We'll set this at version 1.0 pending your approval. We wanted to give you guys a chance to take a look at it, see if there's anything that you see that stands out, and see if it actually goes in with the plan along with the approved version of the comp from the week before. So where do we go from here? Starting on the 27th of October, we'll actually continue development of both the front and the back side code, or the client side and the server side code, as well as incorporating the MySQL database, some PHP scripting, as well as JavaScript or jQuery, whichever seems to be more relevant for the situation. The only constraint that we have, or the only thing that we see that may hold us up, is the fact that we need to acquire the data feeds from our affiliate networks, which are Commission Junction and Linkshare. And so as we acquire those and see how the amount of data or the type of data that we actually receive in those feeds, we can actually put them within our category and our directory pages appropriately to meet what we said we were going to meet in our style guide and in our comp. So from there, phase 5 launch and beyond, we actually have we have 4 or 5 more meetings ahead of us. Right now they're proposed for the 31st of October, the 7th of November, the 14th of November, and the 21st of November. Definitely we're flexible as to the times that we can do those based on your availability and your rate of approval. So that's all we have for you right now. We do appreciate your time. Thank you for coming with us today, and have a great day.